Hey, it's Hawken with TOPDON, and today we're going to do a video on key programming, and this is going to be done with the T-Ninja Pro. However, the process will be basically identical on the Ultra Diag, so you can use this video for reference on the Ultra Diag or the T-Ninja Pro. The only difference will be how we enter into the immobilizer menu will be a little bit different between the two tools. So, which vehicle are we going to do today? Today we're going to do a 2018 Toyota RAV4. However, this video will actually apply to any Toyota RAV4 between the years of 2013 to 2018, so long as this vehicle has a blade style key, a physical blade. All of the other style keys are proximity keys with no physical blade that protrudes out of the housing. So again, this video is just for the 2013 to 2018 RAV4 with the blade style key. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the video.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to go into the immobilizer. We're going to connect the dongle via USB-C cable. We're going to go down here and select Toyota. Okay, Toyota. Confirm. And then we're going to go ahead and turn the key on. And we do have our TOPDON T30000 on the battery to hold the voltage steady while we do a key programming. Going to make sure we turn off everything else like the HVAC and the radio. We're going to do manual selection. Going to select USA. And we're going to scroll down here. We'll go ahead and turn on our screen record function so we can make sure we have this all shown for you in detail if for any reason you have trouble seeing it on the screen. And we are going to scroll down until we find RAV4. This is a RAV4 regular, not a hybrid, 2013 to 2018. It is a bladed key, which we see right here. Immobilizer. We are going to check how many keys we have. We have 2 keys learned to the vehicle already. This customer only has possession of 1, so we're going to add 2 new ones, so they'll have 3 total when it's all done. Going to learn key. Say we're going to stick the learned master key in. We're going to hit OK. OK. Now we're going to remove it. We're going to put in one of our brand new ones. And we're going to keep the ignition off while it learns. All right, the indicator light has gone out. So the learning has succeeded on that key. So we're going to hit OK. And now we need to learn another key. So we're going to go back to learn key. We're going to insert the learned master key, which again is going to be the original key. And of course that is this style. So we're going to go ahead, turn the key on, OK. Now it's going to repeat the exact same process. So we're going to hit OK, remove the key. We're going to insert the other brand new key that has not been learned yet into the ignition. And we're going to hit OK again. And we'll wait for the indicator light to go off. And this will take just a little bit of time. And that one did not learn. So we're going to take it back out and we'll try again. First we're going to check and make sure how many keys we actually have learned so far. So we'll go key on, number of keys, insert the key. So we have 3 keys learned, including the one that the customer no longer has possession of. So we could do an all keys lost and erase that. So if we want to, we could do clear keys if we wanted to erase the one that was missing, but they might find it later, so we won't erase it right now. We're going to learn key. So learned master key is in. OK. OK. Remove the key. All right, the learned master key is out. We're going to stick in the brand new key that has not been learned yet. Keep the ignition off, hit OK. Okay, now we're going to give it a little bit of time to learn that key. And the light went out. So this one is now learned. So now let's check how many keys we have. We'll put the master key back in just for good measure. And turn the key on. Number of keys. Insert the key we already did. And now we have 4 learned. So now what we're going to do is try to start the car with each of the brand new keys and, of course, the original master key, just to make sure that everything works like it should. All right, so first, the original master key. Car starts, no problem. Original master key starts the car. Now we're going to try brand new key number 1 that has been learned. Starts the car, doesn't stall, no problem. Okay, that's 2 down. One more key, which is another new one we learned. And we're going to start the car. Starts the car, doesn't stall, no anti-theft lights, good to go. All right, so we have learned 2 brand new keys, and we had the learned master key. We did not erase any keys from the vehicle. And now we show number of keys registered. We had 4. We're not going to go back in there. But anyhow, that is all completed. So we are good to go, and we can release this this vehicle back to the customer with 2 brand new keys added to the system.
Hey, Hawken with TOPDON again. Just wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the 2013 to 2018 Toyota RAV4 blade key programming with the T-Ninja Pro. Again, the video can also be used for reference on the Ultra Diag. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all of our videos. And of course, contact us if you do have any questions or if there's any specific types of videos you'd really like to see. Again, thanks for watching today.